What's up everyone, the Panda Photographer here, and it's giveaway time. So, one lucky winner will win 2 of these Viltrox RB08 LED video lights. Now you can also use it for portraits or for your photography, or if you're amateur YouTuber or amateur videographer and you need something small but powerful that lasts over an hour and 20 minutes, the LED light will actually come in handy. But for those that are not going to be winning the contest, I will leave the Amazon affiliate link down in the description below so you guys can purchase it if you don't want to wait to win. But that one lucky winner would have to be in North America and in the United States. Unfortunately, I cannot ship it to the EU or to East Pacific Asia at this time. Customs always withheld everything I have sent. So with that said, this is only in North America. Unfortunately, I do apologize. But those that are going to win, all you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel. Leave a comment in the comment section below stating why you want to win 2 of these Viltrox LED video lights. And follow me on Instagram at the Panda Photographer. All the links is down in the descriptions below now. And Twitter as well. But all you have to do is do that. But if you want to support this channel financially to keep the lights on, get it, lights on, please, I have a PayPal donation link. It really does help me out and also expand this channel and grow. But with that said everyone, this is the Panda Photographer, and eat, sleep, videography, photography, repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. You guys take care. Happy shooting.